This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 35 MRQS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 42 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, smoke detector, stovetop burner, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, awning, TV, air conditioning, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 35 MRQS is 13,125 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.